Welcome to HTech IT Education. Today I am going to show you how to install Node.js and VS Code on Windows operating system. For that we need to go into browser and search Node.js download, and on the website we need to download the LTS, which is the most recommended for users. So 64-bit version we will going to install on our Windows operating system. After downloading, we need to go into the containing folders and we need to install by double click on it. But before that we need to check if it is already installed on our machine. So here on command prompt we will check if it is already installed on our machine. So it's not installed, so that's why we are going to install the new one. So here we will double click on this exe file and after that we will accept it. We can change the folder, but by default it is recommended to keep it on the default folder. So next and finally we are going to install the Node.js server. So it has been installed successfully on our Windows operating system. After that we need to check if it is installed or not. So again we will type the command on command prompt node-version, and now in this time it is really installed on our machine with the version 18.13.0. Also we can check the node npm version, which is also necessary for Node.js. So it is also installed on our machine along with Node.js. And here you can see welcome to the Node.js. Now we need to install the VS Code so that we can use Node.js along with VL Studio Code. So we will go on to the website code.vlstudio.com. Here we are going to install download the installer for the Windows. So you can see its downloadable installation file is being downloaded. So here you can see it is downloaded. You need to go into the containing folder and double click on it. Here you need to accept the agreement. Next, keep it on the default path. Next, then you need to click on next. I will go with the default setting, so install it. You will click the button install. So here in shortly it will be installed. It will take some time. So now we can launch the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see now the Visual Studio Code is open here. So first of all we need to install an extension with the name code runner so that we can run our code of JavaScript, or you can say for the Node.js. So here I am going to install the code runner. So it is installed here. Now we need to create a folder and we need to create a file in which we can write our Node.js code. So here I am going to open the folder, and at any location on your PC you can create a new folder which will be used for our Node.js apps. So here I will create a new folder with the name Node apps, and I will click on the select folder, and after that we will create a new file here by clicking the icon new file, and here I will create a file with the name nodeapp.js. Keep in mind the extension of the file should be .js. So here we can write a sample code. Let's say we are going to write a log testing node app. So as soon as I will save it and I will press the button which is on right side, which is used for code running. So here you can see code has been executed successfully. Here you can also go into the terminal, and in terminal you can again check if the node is installed or not. Here you can type the same command as you type on the command prompt. So its node version is 18.1.3 and npm version is 8.19.3. So here you can see it is installed and successfully configured with the VS Code. If I go onto the about page, here is some sample code for Node.js server. So here from here I will copy the sample code and I will paste it into the newly created file. So here I am going to paste it, I will save it and again I will run it. So after running, here you can see that the server is successfully running. So in this way you can configure your VS Code. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.